Well, we had a unique outing today where we were able to showcase the party and we showcase our candidates. Today, we have succeeded in separating the men from the boys.
That's so.
We've succeeded in separating those who are in the race and those who are not in the race.
Exactly.
You have seen that today we're able to separate those who are spent and those who are ready to take the country to the next level. I'm sure that Nigerians at home and those abroad have seen clearly that the man who is positioned for this job is no other person than Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate. From the content of our presentation today, you can see the difference. The difference is clear. And we have always maintained that for next month's election, it's about competence, it's about character, it's about pedigree, and we have also showcased that today. In the next few weeks, we are going to engage you the more, and the difference will become clearer. It is only the Labour Party and this presidential candidate that have the answers to the numerous challenges of Nigeria. As you can see from the 7-point agenda, we are the only party, the only candidate that has the answers that will answer the challenges that is facing the country. Our 7-point agenda has the capacity to transform Nigeria within the next 4 years. So I want to continue to encourage Nigerians that come 25th of next month, we should come out en masse, vote for the presidential candidate and all the candidates of the party. Those who have not picked their PVC, you still have between now and 22nd of this month to immediately pick up your PVCs. Like we have emphasized, the protests is no longer on the streets. The protest is now on our ballot papers. So we must work hard, work towards ensuring that come 25th, we are all. It's not just enough to vote. Vote
and stay.
Stay there, defend your votes.
Exactly.
Because information reaching us has it that they are planning to rig the election, planning to cause mayhem, cause catastrophe. But if we are united, if we are strong, if they see the mammoth crowd, the polling centers that day, I'm sure that they will have no choice but to follow the wishes and aspirations of the people. No amount of guns, no amount of harassment and intimidation can stop an idea whose time has come. The time has come for Nigerians to take back their country. The time has come for us to take our destiny in our hands. I have always maintained that we cannot afford to miss this great opportunity. This is a very great opportunity for us to take back our country, for us to reposition the country for greatness and for effective service delivery. We cannot afford to miss it. Opportunity, they say, comes but once. Opportunity lost can never be recovered. We must, as Nigerians, not miss this great opportunity that destiny have put on our side. We must continue to take advantage of it. For us, the Labour Party, we are continuing to provide leadership in this period leading to the election. We are ready to do what we need to do as leaders of the party and as those saddled with this responsibility to lead the obedient movement. We are committed to it, and no sacrifice is too much from our end for us to make to see that this project succeeds. As we play our part, we expect you to play your part. Continue to convince those who are sitting on the fence, because like we have observed, a lot of persons are still sitting on the fence. But we expect that we carry this crusade to those who are sitting on the fence, convince them, let them see the light. And I'm sure that victory is sure. Victory is sure and certain. Thank you and God bless you.
Chairman, no, hold on. You know, while you were talking, you forgot that in the Chatham House, I must note that questions were not assigned. I was busy looking for when questions, if you or me may get questions to answer, but obviously...
Delegated.
Okay, delegated, yes. Questions were not delegated. The difference is clear. It's like 7-Up and Sprite.
No, we have always said that this job of presidency requires somebody who has the mental capacity, who has the age on his side. We are all praying to be old men. I mean, none of us here is praying not to be old. But for God's sake, old age has his own, how do I put it now?
Challenges.
Weaknesses and challenges. And therefore, and that is why in every society, there is always time for retirement, time to work, and time to go and rest. It is only in Nigeria we find that people who are in their 80s, who are in their 90s, want to continue to do the job of those who are 50s and 40 years old. And for us, it is time for us to say enough is enough. And so for us, we can no longer at this time of our history, where the country is sick, where the country is facing a lot of challenges, continue to rule by plodding or lead by prosing. We've seen it in the past where we had a sick president and the country didn't move forward. The country didn't progress. The country was stagnated. We cannot afford another
to go
one
back again
at this time. And so this job of presidency requires somebody who is mentally alert, somebody who is healthy, somebody who has the capacity, somebody who has the pedigree to be able to reposition the country for greatness.
Correct.
The country isn't working. The country is faced with numerous challenges. Challenges of insecurity, challenges of the economy, challenges of poor infrastructure. Nothing is working. The educational sector is in shambles. Healthcare is in shambles. No infrastructural development. And therefore, it requires a young, dynamic, vibrant, intelligent, and result-oriented, young, dynamic leader that will be able to reposition the country for
I beg, Chairman, make an intervene. If I leave Chairman here today, we'll not go. You see the thing where competence they do, unscripted for 10 minutes. This is not. This is our bottom to top. Exactly. You see, this is unscripted. How many party chairman in Nigeria can speak without? This is not balabluing anything now, is it? Anyway, I think from party chairman Balami, it appears you are in the league of balablues.
Yes, but and then see the logo because it's important.
You and this your logo.
You must see the logo.
You want to carry this logo, go northeast.
The logo now will take win election. Now they enter northeast.
La 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 la.